At Zabist University, innovation does not end in the classrooms. Through Zen, Auric nurtures innovation and entrepreneurship by providing an ecosystem where ideas grow. This opens a new pathways for our young business persons.
Zen is a Zabist incubation center that has nurtured the young minds for innovation, commercialization, and professionalism. In this very short span of time, the Zen has presented many cohorts that results into the startups, the patents, and the products that eventually contributed into a national ecosystem.
Our project is actually a smart table tennis training robot known as A-Spot. It's actually not an invention but an innovation, first time in Pakistan. You know, table tennis is being played by 190 countries and we have a vision to export this robot by making it affordable and portable. And our motivation is actually the market gap. And our target audience are not only the elite but the middle class as well. Example, schools, A-level colleges, universities and clubs.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. We have just brought a new era of board games in Pakistan. Meet Receptionist, a psychological and strategical based board game where every action and every step matters. Come on, let's play the Receptionist.
In Deceptionist, power isn't about moving forward. Sometimes it's about blocking others.
When the obvious path is blocked, strategy shows another way.
While others were watching, I found the real escape. That's the beauty of Deceptionist. It sharpens your mind, boosts your thinking, and always keep you one step ahead.
So, are you ready to be the Deceptionist? Visit now at www.deceptionistgame.com. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hamad Afzal Kiani and I am Professor and Head of Biotechnology Department at the Faculty of Life Sciences in Zabist University, Karachi. I'm here to present our startup HaminoX, operating in agri-tech and green tech space. HaminoX addresses the agriculture waste problem by converting human hair into organic fertilizers, offering a sustainable alternative to chemical fertilizers. Now globally, the organic fertilizer market is projected to reach 15 billion by 2030. And in Pakistan, the demand for eco-friendly inputs is growing rapidly with over 22 million hectares of cultivatable land available to us. Now imported organic fertilizers also cost 3 to 4 times more than our product. Therefore, HaminoX offers a cost-effective, locally produced, nutrient-rich fertilizer promoting circular economy and soil health. And we are targeting the agriculture and horticulture industries, especially those farmers who are shifting towards sustainable and organic farming practices.
Safira vision is to provide safer, dignified and independent women mobility ecosystem in Pakistan.
उसका सफर मुश्किल होता जा रहा है। विमेन के लिए बाइकिंग या काम का कोई प्रॉपर सिस्टम ही नहीं है।
थैंक यू सफीरा, आपने मेरा पेपर लेट होने से बचा लिया। ये राइड कभी इतनी आसान न थी।
एनी टाइम सफीरा, आपके लिए। थैंक यू मैम।
Surveypay is a platform which is built to fix one of the biggest problem researchers are facing, which is accurate data from the verified and target audience. सर्वे पेज सर्वेयर्स को एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करती है जिसमें वो यूज़र फ्रेंडली होने के साथ साथ वो बआसानी सर्वे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और उसके बाद अपना मतलूबा रिजल्ट मुख्तलिफ ग्राफ्स की सूरत में और CSV फाइल्स और पावर BI डैशबोर्ड्स की सूरत में हासिल कर सकते हैं। सर्वे पे के जो यूज़र्स हैं, वी आर कन्वर्टिंग देयर टाइम इनटू रियल वैल्यू. We are providing incentives to the users who are filling the surveys. So SurveyPay is not just about rewarding, it's about accurate data from the verified and target audience. Thank you.
These startups represents the future built at Zabist University, facilitated by Zabist Entrepreneurial Nest, Auric, and ready to make impact beyond the campus.